How do you look at setbacks? Now, if I asked you right now, what were some of the biggest failures in your life? Your brain probably is like, okay, well, I did this. That was super embarrassing in 4th grade. I want you to get in the habit when somebody's like, what are your failures? I don't have any failures. I want you to start thinking of all of the setbacks that happened in your life. Instead of thinking of them as failures, I want you to think of them in terms of temporary setbacks. From here on out, you do not have failures. You do not fail. Do you have temporary setbacks? Absolutely. Do you have setbacks? Yes. Do you have challenges? 100%. Everybody has challenges. But you are not a failure and you don't have failures. You have setbacks. This doesn't seem like a big deal when you first think about it. When you really dive in, the psychology of this is super, super important for you. If you're referring to things in your life as failures, that's final. Literally, by definition, failure is final. That's why the word is spelled the way the word is, right? It's a final, it's the end. It's over. You failed. It's not over. It's never over for you, okay? As long as you are breathing, as long as you've got a heartbeat, as long as you have air in your lungs, you can get better and you can succeed. So I'm letting you right now, as your friend, I am here for you 100%. We're not having failures anymore. You and I are not failing anymore. We're having setbacks. We're having challenges. Things may not go the way we want them to go, when we want them to go, how fast we want them to go. We're okay with that, but it's not a failure. As long as you and I have air in our lungs, as long as we are still breathing, as long as we wake up in the morning, we're still in the game. It's just a setback. It's never, never a failure, no matter how bad you think it is. It's just a setback.